Hello guys, welcome to today's market analysis. Let's see the Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is trading around this lower high area, and it is just rebounding between the high and low. So if you look at this, it is at the lower high area. This is just simply consolidating between highs and lows. If you ask me Bitcoin where it will move on next, it's moving in a symmetrical triangle pattern. So if it breaks the bottom, we can expect one more down. If it breaks the top, we can expect one more up. So these type of movements are possible. So let's wait for the confirmation of breakout from this symmetrical triangle. If you think the Bitcoin will move up, then it's a very good place to buy. If you buy it here, you can keep maybe next time the Bitcoin will break this symmetrical triangle. As the triangle got narrower, more narrow and small area, so soon we can expect a breakout either at the top or bottom. So if you buy now, you can place your stop loss below this level or below this level. So this is how you can wait and see and take a good trade with confirmation. So let's move on to the next market opportunities. So today we don't have any more news. All the news services have came like ECB interest rate decision. So everything has been released. And tomorrow is a Good Friday. So all the markets are holiday except I think except Japan. So all the markets are on holiday. So all the markets are holiday by tomorrow. So let's go to major currency pairs. So if you look at the major currency pairs, we can check about the market opportunities and also let's see the opportunities, major market opportunities. Euro USD is just simply moving up and down. But Euro USD is still in a very strong uptrend, so you should never ever think that Euro USD is going to fall more. However, it is consolidating in a small channel range, but you still don't need to worry about that Euro USD pair. Just wait and see. And Pound USD is moving up. I told you that Pound USD will reach this resistance very soon. It's moving towards the resistance. Pound USD, this definitely buy. And Aussie USD will break this resistance soon. It is exactly at the resistance, but don't sell at this time because Aussie USD is trying to break this high for a long time. I think it might. If it breaks this high, then we can expect a big shoot up on Aussie USD. New Zealand USD starts to move up as usual. New Zealand USD starts to move up. USD yen starts to fall. So we're expecting USD yen to fall around this price level, 140. So let's see, USD yen, that's just simply trying to fall. USD yen is like that. Silver, it's going to move up anyway. It looks like silver is moving up, and it also have a lot of chances to move up anyway. I believe silver will rise. Silver is moving up. So tomorrow is Good Friday. You can expect a lot of volatility in the market. However, we should have to wait and see how far the market can move on. Here's the Swiss franc. Silver still have a lot of chances to move up instead of down. I could say that it can move up more. USD Swiss franc reaches the lower low, but still I cannot expect USD Swiss franc to reach the high or bottom anytime soon, because it looks like we need to wait for the confirmation. USD Swiss franc is like that. USD Canadian. Moving towards the bottom. Australia reaches the high, but if Australian USD breaks the high, then we can expect this Australia Canadian to move up continuously. Um, well, if you look at pound out reaches near to the support, but don't buy here. It was I think 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth attempt. Might have chance to break, but I'm not sure, or else it might give some consolidation. I need to wait and see. Pound CAD is moving It's moving a clear descending channel. If you ask me, it's good to sell. Yeah, one cat is good to sell, but keep your stop loss above this. Euro cap. Euro cat is simply consolidating. No big confirmation, so Euro cat is completely in consolidation mode. Euro New Zealand just reached the higher low. I think Euro New Zealand might have chances to move on. New Zealand is trying to break. Wow. So if it tries to break, I think Pound New Zealand can fall more. It has a lot of chances to fall. So Pound New Zealand, if you want to sell, ask me, is it good to sell? I could say, yep, it's good to sell. But if it try to consolidate, it's not good because it is also the major resistance. Not a major, it's a minor resistance. Or we can expect some kind of rebound. It's also possible, and rebound is maybe it will turn into a kind of fake breakout here because it is at the major high low area. However, the bigger picture is like pound is gonna still have a lot of room to fall more until 2.18 or 19 until 2.19, another 3,000 points. It's possible to fall. Pound out is like that, and Aussie Canadian, so same like that. USDN is trying to fall continuously. There's no big or downward movement. It's just simply falling from there. I think if you want to sell USDN, yeah, you can sell it. The stop loss around this price. USD Canadian is also trying to fall. Bitcoin just tried to fall, but it is just consolidating. And it's just simply consolidating. We need to wait and see how far the Bitcoin can move on, how far the Bitcoin can make a up or down movement. So we need to wait and see. You see, gold trying to fall. So let's see the next set of market opportunities available over this place. So let's wait and see. It looks like silver has a lot of chances to fall. Okay, Euro Swiss franc is exactly at the support. If you want, yeah, I can buy or sell, but it is exactly at the support. You ask me whether it is a major support. Yes, I agree that it is a major support. Euro Swiss franc, Australian Swiss franc just rebounding. Canadian Swiss franc is also at the low level, historical low. Euro Swiss franc is near to the historical low. These all the pairs are the Euro Swiss franc 2015 low, still didn't reach. So Australian Swiss franc, Canadian Swiss franc, USD Canadian, USD Swiss franc. Australia, New Zealand looks like it has a lot of chances to break the bottom, and it might have chance to fall more. Australia, New Zealand. But if you look out in another way of direction, also Swiss franc is near to the, it's near to the support level. Australia Swiss franc, it's near to the support. Euro pound, they're simply consolidating. Silver is trying to fall. Australian JPY is also consolidating. Looks like all the GPU pairs trying to fall, but it is hardly consolidating. Consolidating so harder. All the pairs. See the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just simply trying to fall. Yeah, Bitcoin is trying to fall over this place. So Bitcoin is all in a very clear ranging movement actually. It was all ranging, nothing else. Simply a ranging movement happening over in the Bitcoin. So let's see the next opportunities for the further pass. We should have a look about the next opportunities. So Euro Swiss franc. I think Euro Swiss franc is also good to buy because it hits the historical. So it is good to buy. I think Euro Swiss franc is good to buy. Australian Swiss franc. Canadian Swiss franc trying to move up. So I feel that Euro Swiss franc seems to be more better than the pairs. Euro pound is consolidating. Gold is trying to move up and down, but no big movements are happening over there. Euro Japanese yen trying to fall. Canadian Japan yen, same. Australian USD trying to break the high. Bitcoin is simply trying to fall. I think Bitcoin might have a chance to fall over all the places. It's highly trying to consolidate and also trying to move up and down. So So it depends on the candle close. If the candle closes above this level, I think 84 200, we can expect upward movement. If it closes below this level and the next candle didn't break this low, then we can expect a downward movement towards this low level. So let's wait and see. You can see a great pullback is happening in Bitcoin. So actually, if you look at this one, this is considered to be a fake breakout. Even if you look at this one, this looks like the higher low. So we can expect Bitcoin to move up again. Let's wait and see how far the Bitcoin market can move. So let's see Australia Canadian is like that, Australia JPY, JPY. It's all consolidating. All the pairs are simply consolidating. Silver is also consolidating. Gold, it is still in a strong uptrend. New Zealand USD is shooting up heavily. Will move up continuously, I believe. Pound. I think all those pairs are simply moving up and down. So far, if you look at all the pairs, you could say that New Zealand is so stronger. New Zealand seems to be very strong. And yes, New Zealand seems to be very, very strong compared to all the pairs. Dollar is weaker, as usual. Dollar is weaker. So that's it. Bitcoin, I think I can keep buying it because it is at the low right now, and the smaller time frame is near to the low, high low. So let me show you the Bitcoin analysis in a little more in detail from the higher time frame to smaller time frame. In the monthly chart, if you look at Bitcoin, it just broke the high and it just went up. It reaches the target. Now it's trying to fall. However, last time Bitcoin just hits this retest area and then it just rebounded back $13,000. Another way Bitcoin is at the higher low, and from this higher low, I think Bitcoin trying to move up and then again down. So it is just simply consolidating. Nothing else is happening on Bitcoin. It's just simply consolidating up, down, up, down. So if you consider the Bitcoin support, previous support as a resistance. So last time Bitcoin made a 75%